I ain't doing that no more. Very pleased to be at the Aspen Saturday Market. Hope you're enjoying some blues out here. As I said, be careful. It is habit forming. You don't want to take it in very often. You people have children out here. I'm putting out the parental guidance. They start liking this music now, they're going to grow up about they're 35, 40, they say, you know, that blues is pretty good stuff. They start looking back at it again. Who was that weird guy we saw in the vegetable market that day? I did the same thing.
You make that guitar?
Oh no, if I did it would have flown apart years ago. I get my instruments made professionally. Yeah. This one comes from Memphis, John Lowe in Memphis. He makes these are called logos. He builds these.
You say I used to get around a lot?
Yeah.
You talking about with women or what?
Well, women there. You talk to them all back here.
I talk to everybody.
Yeah, I know when you was on 31, 48, and all that.
They've gone downhill since then.
Yeah.
You know, one of the things that happens to you when you play the blues is you wind up coming across the people who really play it well, or their descendants, and then you got to play in front of them. It's like, oh man, you talk about peer pressure. That's peer pressure. My band was playing a job over in Huntsville several years ago, and these folks came and said, I want to introduce you to two ladies. I said, well, that sounds good. And they did. There were these two nice ladies, and they were African-American women, and very pleasant, and they said, their last name was Burnett. I started thinking about Burnett, and I said, you're not related to Chester Burnett, are you? And they said, yeah. I said, Chester Arthur Burnett? They said, yeah, that's our daddy. And your daddy is Howlin' Wolf? And they said, yeah. I'm like, oh man, and my band's up there playing Howlin' Wolf music to his two daughters. I'm like, oh, this is never going to work. Nobody, including them, could sing like Howlin' Wolf. I said, well, we've been playing the music. I know it's not very good. I said, well, we like hearing daddy's music played. And I said, is there any songs you want? He said, well, everywhere we go, everybody plays the same Howlin' Wolf songs. They all play, I got a Little Red Rooster. They all play Down on the Killing Floor. They all play Smokestack Lightning. But they don't play the other stuff. And I said, well, what about the ones that he really liked? He said, well, his favorite songs that he wrote is two. The first one was, I asked for water, and she gave me gasoline. And the other one was called 44 Blues. I said, well, I can play the 44 Blues. So this is Howlin' Wolf's 44 Blues, and I'm glad to see that his daughters are not here today to frighten me to death. I wore my 44 so long, it made my shoulders sore. I wore my 44 so long, it made my shoulders sore. I gotta go find my baby, don't know where she goes. Well, I'm so mad this morning, don't know what in the world to do. Lord, I'm so mad this morning, don't know what in the world to do. I gotta go find my baby, find out if we're through. night long, 44 in my hand. Lord, I walked all night long, 44 in my hand. She was really nervous and
Great. He should put out a CD and we should have. Oh, I thought you were filming.
I am.
No. We should play. Should we play it in spin class?